Hey guys, I'm Daphne Quay, your boss lady realtor here in Austin, Texas. And today I am back in Leander. I am in the Rosenbusch Ranch development. I've been coming back here the last couple weeks to show different homes and different floor plans that I really like. I was originally here about a week back with a client of mine, and we were looking through the entire community, and I was really impressed by the floor plans, the overall design, and then the pricing and incentives. One of the things that they're offering right now is a 5.5% interest rate on a 30-year fixed conventional loan, so that interest rate isn't going to fluctuate. Also, this time of year, this builder is covering all closing costs, which is fantastic. I've always said that the holiday season kind of is like the best time to buy a home, and here we are. This is it. They're doing all sorts of crazy price cuts and then offering really solid incentives for some awesome new construction homes. Today, I'm gonna show you this, I think it's a really lovely one-story home. It's got a lot of space and just really great distribution of bedrooms, high ceilings, all of that. And it's priced extremely competitively. I was very surprised about the pricing. So I'm gonna ask you guys to watch this video all the way to the end and then guess what the pricing for this home is. I think you will be very surprised. I'm curious to read or hear what you guys have to say and what y'all guess. Also, I just want to take a second to note that we are in a cul-de-sac and it's very peaceful over here. I mean, mostly because nobody's moved in yet. But generally speaking, if you live in a cul-de-sac, if your house is in a cul-de-sac, nobody's going to be driving through it. It's really just going to be like your neighbors and people that live there. So it's a usually pretty good setup. And unfortunately not behind this house that we're gonna see, but behind me here, there is like a retention pond which kind of has lake vibes, which is very cool, very zen, very peaceful. Okay, so let's start. Let's go take a look at this home. Alrighty, here we are. We are sitting right on a corner lot. You can see the construction crew down there. I am a fan of this light brick with the Texas limestone. I think it looks very sweet, very timeless. One thing I also want to note is that there is a bit of a slope in this driveway. The other homes on this cul-de-sac don't have that, so I wonder why this one does. Not a huge deal, but I always tell clients it's important to keep this kind of stuff in mind, whether you're thinking about reselling it or even just for lifestyle stuff. I have a lot of clients that have like little sports cars, and sometimes getting a sports car up a slope driveway is a bit of a pain and not particularly good for the vehicle. Okay, here we are. This is the entrance. Oh, there's a bit of an echo here, so I'm going to speak more quietly. Let's check this out. This is an 8-foot upgraded door. This is really cool that they did this. As you'll see through the video, you will see that there are actually 8-foot doors like literally everywhere in the house. Look at this big open space. Isn't this so pretty? Kitchen's right there. We're going to look at that in just a second. I'm going to take you to the first bedroom over here. It's going to be on our right side. Yeah, this is super pretty. Of course, a huge fan of the big windows here at the front. I think everyone likes big open windows, right? And if we go right across the hall, there is another bedroom. Not quite as pretty, if we're being totally honest. And this is the bathroom that they would share. Very standard. All right, let's check out this kitchen. Ooh, this is nice. Yeah, this is really cool. Also, you'll see a gas stove here. This community is all gas, so if you are particularly picky about having a gas or electric stove, this is gas. Laundry room with an extra plug over there, so you can plug in your, what do you call those vacuums that you can install into the wall and like you charge them? And then you can also put in a fridge too if you need a secondary fridge. Pantry is right here. There's a lot of space and a lot of storage in this kitchen. So this, and of course everybody wants a pantry, so that's really cool, but just worth noting. I kind of love this butler's pantry type thing that they did over here. This is great. This is an awesome space just to set up your coffee station, or if this is where you want to do your food prep before you start cooking, whatever. Really, that's really cool. All right, so nestled over here across the kitchen is another bedroom, and it does have a closet, so technically, yes, it is a bedroom, but this really feels a lot more like an office, and I think the setup for it is really good office-wise, just because it is kind of hidden off to the side here, so it's like you can go in there, do your work day, close the door, be done with it, and then be back in your house and like have peace. This is a really nice big open living room. There's so much natural light in here. As I was going through the house before we started shooting, I went through and turned on all the lights, but it honestly didn't really make any difference because it was already so bright in here. Okay, so here we are going into the primary. There's a lot of space in here. This is a big rectangular room. You could very easily fit a king bed in here, and a lot of other furniture, and probably a television, and maybe a small love seat. All right, let's check out the bathroom. You know, I was honestly expecting this bathroom to have a little bit more oomph, just given the design and layout of the home. It's plenty of space. One vanity is kind of small. Closet. This is a really good sized closet. Pretty standard walk-in closet, I think, for the size of the home. And here we can see the living room again. Look at that beautiful kitchen. Like I said, you guys, this home is priced really aggressively. I was surprised when I found out what the pricing was. Leave a comment if you think you know what the price of this home is. Whoever gets it right gets to win a free house. I'm just kidding. No, I can't do that. No, but I am curious to see what you guys think. So one thing to consider too is there is a little bit of noise going on. This is a new community and they are building directly behind this home. So if you were to buy this particular house, you would probably have to deal with some construction noise for probably the next 6 to 9 months. They build these homes incredibly quickly. I think you'd be surprised. A lot of times people think that the construction process takes a couple of years. It doesn't. Definitely not in Austin. It just moves along very, very fast. Yeah, this is a good size yard. It's pretty flat, so you could do kind of whatever you wanted. There's a good amount of side yard as well. It's a beautiful day out here too, so that definitely helps. Anyway, you guys, let me know your thoughts on this home. I'm a fan. I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear what you think pricing is. Remember, they have really awesome incentives here that they are offering through the end of the year. So if you're thinking about buying or selling a home now is the time. This is when you can get the best deals. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Daphne Quay, your boss lady realtor. Until next time.